the villages of Nuve, Sarauli, Benauli and Mungul area of Margam. This problem is intense. Normally during the monsoons, these areas get flooded, which is a matter of record. But somehow the present situation does not go beyond control because the traditional waterways, though reduced, have been maintained. Now suddenly the government is building the National Highway Western Bypass through these villages. Now, building the bypass is not objected to. What is objected to is there is a proposal, or the work has commenced for building an embankment through the paddy fields on which the road will rest. The displacement, water displacement available, like space available for water displacement will be covered by this embankment, and therefore the water will find its way into the village, onto the roads, and there will be floods which may be uncontrollable. So for this reason we have suggested that I have as a lawyer issued notice to the government on behalf of the Sarauli village panchayat, requiring them to build the bridge on stilts. Whereas here they say there is shortage of funds. Now if there is a shortage of funds, are we to suffer? Are we to be permanently burdened with floods? This is the issue. We will be objecting, we will be moving the court, or whatever steps are available will be taken by us. But we expect the government has learnt its lessons from what has happened in Kerala.
Kerala floods. In Kerala floods, आमी म्हणटा 20,000 crores worth damage जाले. गोंयांत येसले गावपाक कितलो टायम लागतलो? आमी जायतीं शेतां पुरोवन आमची गव्हर्मेंट कॉम्प्लेक्सीस, स्कूल्स शिफ्ट केल्यान, मडगांव केल्यान. आतां आमचो वेस्टर्न बायपास नुवे, सरावली, मुंगूल, बेनावली वयतलो. उंच एरियांतल्यान वयता. इट्स गोइंग टू द कॅचमेंट एरिया, म्हणजे उदक धरपाच्या सुवातेक. सो हे सुवातेंतल्यान तरी तुवें माती घालून तरी एम्बॅंकमेंट करून तरी रस्तो केलो जाल्यार उदक खंय वयतलें, चोडटलें. हें आमी कोणाक इंजिनियरींग नाका, हें आमचें कॉमन सेन्स. सो हें इतलें जाण जावन आमी कंपेर 20,000 crores worth damage in Kerala, what will be the impact on Salcete in Goa? Are we ready to compromise 300 crores maybe for this bridge or whatever stilts we are buying?